Okay, so this is a position time graph, and the question here is what's happening to the velocity, which is, of course, the velocity is just going to be the slope, right? So let's look at what's happening to the slope, and then we got to decide whether it's positive or negative acceleration, okay? So let's answer the first question, right? So what's happening to the slope? So here we have a negative slope, right? If I could draw a nice straight line, right? We've got a negative slope, so slope is negative, right? That means we have a negative velocity, right? And at the end here, you can see that the velocity actually gets to zero. So the velocity becomes zero, okay? So we slowed down. We were moving in the negative direction, right? Okay? And then we slowed down. And so the only way to slow down if you're moving in the negative direction is to have a positive acceleration. Because remember, the rule is if these guys are in opposite directions, then you're slowing down. Okay, my MacBook is ready for takeoff, right? Another way to tell that it's positive acceleration is to look at the concavity. This thing is concave as seen from the top, which means it's positively concave, which means it's positive acceleration. Okay, now let's just take a look at this because this is kind of fun. Okay, so here is that same graph, right? And I can move this little slider across the screen. And this will display the velocity, okay? So let's watch what happens, right? It's like, whoa. There it goes. That's kind of fun, isn't it? So you can see that line there. You can see in the lower left, it's displaying the slope. It starts off pretty steep, right? And then the line gets really, really long and then short. I gotta fix the code on this. Whoa, why is it so long? All right. That's kind of fun. All right.